Well, good morning. Welcome to Spontooneous. Do you believe that the sun's coming up?
We've been up all night long.
All night long. Planning this specific mimosa. Mimosas are famously known to be drank in the morning. So we're going to make one for you, but this one might be a little bit different for you. This is an Orange Sherbet Mimosa. We're going to add the harder stuff right off the bat. We're going to add some Captain Morgan's pineapple rum.
I'm excited. I like pineapple and rum.
Not a secret ingredient, but we're going to add just a splash of Sunny D here. Now here comes the important part. Follow me on this one. We are actually going to put a nice dab of orange sherbet in each of these champagne glasses. And then we'll add some champagne. You can get a very inexpensive champagne that's absolutely delicious. If you say it with a French accent, it sounds expensive. You just go, oh yes, I brought some J. Roget to your party, right? This is a sweet spumante we're gonna add to our Orange Sherbet Mimosa. Oh yeah, no, let it go. Let it go. Garnish that bad boy for me if you would, please.
Yes, I will.
You cut those oranges just beautifully. Look at them lay over the rim of the cup.
Look at that.
It's absolutely
It's
beautiful.
Like I knew what I was doing.
Yeah, cut you wedges the way they're supposed to be cut. The Orange Sherbet Mimosa. Cheers.
Yeah, still don't like mimosas. I try to like them.
That's a lot of work. Or I still don't like
Sorry.
mimosas.
I was trying to like it.
I'll tell you what I do.
Do they have blue sherbet? Hey, it's good reason. I mean, 4th of July, red, white, and blue.
Do they have blue sherbet? Please remember to be. Please remember to be.
Spontaneous. Spontaneous. Be spontaneous.
Whoop.